When we add new colors, it involves a lot of research, talking to our global partners, working with the design community, and also just seeing what's out there in the zeitgeist so we know what's coming. It's also important for us to have people on the technical side to be doing a lot of testing, making sure that the colors we're bringing into our palette can actually be reproduced. We're listening to what's going on, and yet we're also leading the way.
Color can reflect the times, but it can also say where we would like to be in the future. So when 175 colors are chosen, it's not a random choice. It's because we feel that these colors will have a bigger influence on the consumer world.
The process of creating a new color, it can literally take months. Adjusting it, testing it. We could do hundreds, literally hundreds of lab dips, trying different formulations and processes to make sure that we're creating a reproducible color. If this color that I've produced can't be reproduced by someone else in the world, then it's no longer a standard.
I'm obsessed with color. I use it abundantly. I think that color is like an instantly accessible, over-the-counter antidepressant. It can make you happy or it can make you sad. I opt for the happy in my color sense.
We have 12 different dyeing machines here on the platform. They range in yardage from 10 yards all the way up to 150 yards. The fabric is rotating in and out of the dye bath that's down here below. So we'll rotate around in a circle, usually at around 50 or 60 yards per minute for about 5 hours during the process. This bolt of fabric is going to be later cut into swatches and all the books that we sell. And we want to make sure that the swatch on the left side of the fabric is the same color as the swatch on the right side of the fabric.
As a fashion director, I am building color stories for our buyers, and I am using those Pantone numbers when I am communicating to the market in terms of the exact color mixes that we're looking to create. That kind of communication is absolutely key given our global sourcing. There's no telling what country we might be talking to. Pantone is really the guide. It's sort of a universal language.
Color is so important, and Pantone is really where you go to when you want to talk about color and you want to have consistency in color. Every collection I start, the starting point is color. People connect to color. Color just really changes your day. If you wear color, it really sort of wakes you up, makes you smile. It makes you stand out. You're certainly not a wallflower when you wear color.
When I see a girl pass by me in a emerald green coat, which I go, wow, that is amazing. Suddenly, last 3 years, color has come back. Color used to be like a quick and cheap way to rebrand yourself, to redesign yourself without going into whole formulas. But now it's also the top end, expensive products that we're seeing in color. So color is permeating every level of the mind and every kind of social strata.
Once we're done with the dyeing process, the fabric is taken to a hydro extractor. In the hydro extractor, we'll take out about 75% of the water used in the process, and then the fabric is brought to our industrial drying frame. We're using forced hot air here to give the fabric a final smooth surface appearance and to remove the final bit of moisture that's left inside the cotton.
I think that 175 new colors from Pantone is going to make my day, really. I think it's going to make my life so much easier.
The new colors will inevitably inspire new ideas. I guarantee you that in the mix there'll be a color that I've been trying to explain to get to, that I've been frustrated that I can't find exactly the right thing.
The human eye is notoriously fickle. We're always looking for something new that's going to add some excitement in our lives. We can shop for a new pillow, we can put some carpeting on the floor, we can bring some flowers in. But the one common denominator in every case is color. That's what links it all together, and that's where the messages are given and gotten.